So this is James, and
nervously
about to Maiden flight his Avanti. And James, you've never owned an Avanti.
No, I've watched.
I can't believe that after all this time.
And see you fly yours. Saw Jason 2 weekends ago. With
I mean,
his.
I've had about 15 of them.
Yes,
because I just do stupid stuff and wreck them.
You like crashing Avantis.
I like crashing.
That and A10s.
Yeah, A10s.
Oh,
Don't let's not talk about A10s.
A little bit chilly today, but
are you excited?
Very excited. Just had a rather nice flight with the airliner, so
yes, the AL37. It's a very motion RC type of day, but
it really is.
Right,
we're losing the light, so let's get on with it.
well done. Nice takeoff.
I had one stage of flat.
Always first thing, get some height and then trim out for level flight, which is what James is sensibly doing now. And he just threw it together, so it doesn't need a lot of trim.
That's okay.
All right, rock and roll. Give us some fast passes. Yeah, not what I call a low pass, but bloody hell. Come on. There, that's good. Are you enjoying it?
Ask me when I've landed.
He's shaking himself into the ground at the moment.
I can tell he's enjoying it.
Still needs a bit more trimming actually. Bit nose. And just climb a bit.
Cooking.
Down.
Get down because she does like well. Don't get flare, mate. Lined up lovely. Put your nose down. Oh yeah.
That's good.
He's emotional, he's almost crying.
Brings a tear to my eye.
I was crying for him.
I know. Right, a little victory lap.
Did you just do a victory lap?
That was so much fun. Oh, it goes where you put it, and I didn't crash it, so that's a good maiden.
The wife will be happy.
Oh yeah, bank account's happy. Tell you what.
Brilliant, well done, mate.
Thanks, buddy.
What was the highlight of that then?
Not crashing.
Of course.
No, I like all the instruction, to be honest. The encouraging words of wisdom for you, to my wise elders.
Yeah, get it up and stop moaning.
We say that to everyone.
That's great fun. Let's race it with Jason's now. I'm
Oh
feeling.
God, no chance. I've tried that with my turbine. No point. All right, well done, James.
Thanks, mate.
You're no longer an Avanti virgin. I'm proud of you, mate. I'll give you a big hug in a minute. Maybe a kiss.
That's flipping lovely, that is. I could fly that all day long.
Lovely.
Yeah, all day long. Oh yes, you didn't put. I forgot to plug in the. Probably can't even see it. The little cockpit.
Oh, after all that.
After all that.
So this is an added extra.
Oh yeah, this is just me messing around with my 3D printer.
Is there a light in there or something? It's all lit up, isn't it? Under
Yeah.
your.
Can you see the little?
Canopy's too smoked.
I can. Just. That's a nice touch. Yeah. Just as well you didn't crash it after all that effort. All right, well done, James.
Thanks, mate.
Well done.
Yeah, I thought those little radar screens looked quite effective.
They do.
We're losing the light, so let's get on with it.
What was the highlight of that then?
Not crashing.